Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Serena. That's so, Rena, you get it. Corny, I know, but that's just how we are here. So today I am doing like a pamper routine with you guys. It's not really a pamper routine. It's literally just skincare and me doing my nails. If you're interested in seeing that, just stay tuned.
That's me.
So I got some press-on nails from Pressed. Well, it's She Me Her. With her packaging. What? Cute, right? This is not sponsored, by the way. So the name of these is Orange Cream Soda. She customizes them herself, but y'all know orange is my thing. Okay, so I went ahead and got some, and I'm gonna apply them. And yeah, we're gonna do that. So she says to put in your measurements online, but I've been doing this press on thing since before quarantine, so I know my size. So see, perfect size. I have really, really small nails. Like they grow very long, but they're like, my nail beds are really tiny. So yeah, they fit perfectly. So yeah, what I'm gonna do right now is trim down my real nails. And yeah, when I'm trimming down and then buff them out. I'm gonna take my filer and just make some texture basically on my actual nail bed. This is gonna help the nail to stick longer. If you just put the press-on nail with the glue just straight on your nail bed, they'll come off easier because it's not really anything for them to grip to. When you have texture on your nail from the filer, it just helps it stick longer. I don't really understand why. I'm not a nail technician. I just know what works for me. So I'm telling y'all. So I take this little tool that comes in the Kiss package. I wonder if she had one in hers. This is the package that came with the packaging. It came with a file and nail glue and all that stuff in a prep wipe, like a antibacterial prep wipe. But I just used what was left over from my Kiss because that's what I always use. So this was in the Kiss packaging with the previous press-ons I had. They weren't custom, they were just from Target. So this little tool came in it, and I pushed my cuticles back some so that when I apply the press-on nail, it looks a little bit more natural, not just stuck on there, like in place. All right, so we're gonna grab this pinky nail, and get the glue. And then I just apply the glue to my nail. I know some people apply the glue to the press-on nail, but I don't. Like I said, I already used this, so there's some dry glue on there. I'm just cutting that off some. All right. We're gonna take our nail and hold it there. You don't want to just put it on there and let go. You want to hold it down some so it doesn't lift. I'll hold it for probably like 10-15 seconds, nothing too major, because the glue dries really fast, and when you apply the pressure, it just spreads the glue out. And yeah. All right, see, it's really on there. So here's how the one looks. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest. They're cute, aren't they? All right, you guys, so here is the finished product of my nails. Aren't they cute? They are so cute. I can't get enough. So now let's go ahead and get into skincare. Now that you guys have pretty much seen my skincare and my nail routine basically for quarantine, well really it's not even quarantine because I've been doing my press on nails since before quarantine or whatever, but if you're interested in this hair, there is a separate video for that. So I didn't do my hair on this video because I still have this hair on. So yeah. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed content like this. This was a little bit different for me. Not really, but kind of a little bit. If you want a full in-depth, like pamper, like skincare, shower routine, all of that, I can do that for you guys. Just go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I am throwing a brunch for my friends, so that's why I had to make this video kind of short because I have a lot of decorating to do. For my friends. So yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and catch up on another video. Watch some more of my content. You know, your girl is trying to get her watch time up, so go ahead and help your sis out. Okay, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys for so much support. Bye.